This is a vertical garden, also known as green mods. You can grow these plants on vertical surfaces such as parking, garage, and roadsides. The benefits of these plants are that it improves air quality, reduces noise, creates a healthy indoor climate, and also mitigates urban heat. You will find these plants in Indian cities such as Delhi and Indore. Now, Samragi will tell you about the benefits of these plants.
Here we have a lot of plants such as the peace lily, the ZZ plant, the syngonium, snake plant and many more. Let me tell you the benefits of the peace lily. Peace lily. It is a symbol of compassion and peace and it removes 60% of the air pollutants. Coming to the snake plant, this is a plant you'll find in every household in India. Its properties are that it releases oxygen at night and it prevents allergies. Thank you.